masasabi mo sa mga tao na hoping kabalikan mo? Marami pa sila.
Ang cute nila. Actually, nakukutan ako kasi no matter how badly we explain ourselves and how honest we are sa public, syempre hindi naman mawawala. Kaya nga sila fans, diba? Because they're hoping against hope that magkakabalikan kami. But I think ako sobra akong grateful na maski na alam nila na medyo baka hindi na yun mangyari, they're still there. At naiintindihan nila yung situation namin. Ang magandang nangyayari sa amin, and this is really weird, a couple of years ago, I posted something on my Facebook. Kasi naaliw ako na every June 28, naaalala pa nila at sineselebrate pa nila ang anniversary namin ni Martin. That's our wedding anniversary. So kami ni Martin hanggang ngayon, ang batian na lang namin sa June 28 is, hey, happy June 28. Because nga, I know that we have fans that still celebrate it and it's still a big deal for them. And thank you that they accept us for our situation now, diba?
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Pao.
Thank you.
Alam mo,